the strings louder.
Alright guys, so I guess this is
back up.
day 3 in Texas. I gotta back up. You want to point this out?
Hey, you need to back up, or you're gonna. Oh yeah, nice. Nothing like bubbles. Yeah, you're good now. You could just.
Okay guys, so we are leaving my buddy Sean's house, Mustang 09, and he kind of drove us around today a little bit. And Dave had to go pick up some stuff for his 3000 GT. And Dave also bought. Dave, what did you buy?
An S13 clip.
Tell him. Point it
Oh
at
man, I got a Silvia S13 clip with an aero bumper and SR, pretty much everything I needed. Well,
so,
except SR.
if you want to see that, Dave has that video on his channel picking that thing up. But same place that he got that engine or that whole front clip at, they actually have a 1J VVTi there. They didn't have any 2Js. And if you guys haven't noticed, the JZs are going up in price. I think it's all these damn YouTubers making videos about them and showing how cool they are. And so anyhow, picking up a 1J since I got rid of the spare parts 1J. And it might, I don't know what it's going in. It might go in the Mustang, it might not. Anyhow, we're gonna make our way there and go check it out. So. Just got to the place now. Got my truck jackknife because I think he's gonna be able to come down the forklift dock and hopefully he'll be able to just put it in the back. And I'm not sure. It might fit in the side door too, but yeah, go check it out. I think we're gonna do a compression test on it. It's always nice to be able to do that. This is the place we're getting it from. It's ALN JDM Motors. They're here in Dallas, Texas. This is the engine right here. 2J VVTi. This is the JZX 100 or the 110 one with the electronic throttle body, but it does not have the immobilized ECU, which is nice because the immobilized ones are kind of complicated to get driving or running properly because you basically have to have the key and I don't know, bunch of stuff. But I do like these 1Js just because they're so simple, stock single turbo, front and sump pan. They basically go right into a 240, really easy. And they all have, a lot of them have automatics. They do have some other ones here that are the RN54s, but they are quite a bit more expensive. This one has a Power FC on it too with an R box, and that one was really cool, but it's a little bit more expensive. And I do have a 370 or 350Z tranny. They also have a RB26 R33 with the rear sump, or with the all-wheel drive and this manual tranny. And they have this RB25 Neo with a manual tranny too. And this is David's front clip that he bought. You excited about that, Dave? Yeah, he got that, and I'm getting this. Hopefully we'll be able to get it in the thing. And I think this is the SR that they pretty much just got ready today too. So, a bunch of cool stuff. Ready to take it outside. Dave was searching around. I think he found some coil packs. This is the gauge cluster for his thing, and he needed the wiring harness for the digital climate control for his other thing. He got a pack, a stack of valve covers. Alright, there she is, boys. JZX 110, 1J VVTi. I love these things. Alright guys, guess where we're at? This thing leaked when I pulled it out. There's a snail shell on the ground. That doesn't give you any clues, but we're Loves. And basically we're in Oklahoma City. We left Dallas, and after we got the engine, we're like, well, I'd seen this thing on Craigslist, so I just messaged him real quick. And this is a W58 out of a Mark IV Toyota Supra. So just ended up picking that up. He was on Craigslist and got the shifter. It's the tripod R154 too, so you can see it's got the little tripod shifter. Gave me a box of goodies too. It's got some cams and fuel injectors and stuff. Also a 4.2 rear diff, drive shaft, clutch line, slave cylinder, flywheel. So yeah, I think you know, this 1J and that thing going together make it really easy. I don't know. I'm not sure if I should put it in the black car, like turn the black car into a 1J car, or actually put this in like a 240. Put the swap in a 240 or something. But yeah, I don't know. Been driving a little while. Dave's inside going to the bathroom, filling up Big Dirty. He likes to eat. We didn't go that many miles, but we figured we might as well. We already stopped here anyhow, and yeah, kind of a little bit of a detour. I'm definitely glad and appreciate it, because it's like midnight here. Actually, no, it's almost 1 in the morning here. And I was messaging him at like 9 o'clock, and that's when he normally goes to bed. So yeah, it was cool that he was able to meet me. Kind of met me at a gas station. I think he thought I was gonna, like, you know, take his Mark IV or something, but cool guy. Got no time traveling memes on this trip yet, Dave. Did you sleep at all, or did you just lay back here?
No, I slept.
Cool. So yeah, it's my turn to time travel. So we'll see. I think we're like 9 hours from Colorado. 8 hours. Hopefully 8 hours, because crap.
It's tight.
Not bad, huh?
8 hours, then I'll be waking up in Colorado.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh dang it. What is this? What is that? Alright guys, just got back to the shop. Got the truck moved outside, and now I'm just gonna start unloading some of the stuff out of the trailer. Basically spent all yesterday hanging out with Jamie, doing some other stuff with my my whole tax situation, and yeah, so got the truck pulled outside. Now it's just time to unload the drift car. So yeah, this car did awesome at the event, other than the fact that it didn't have as much grip as I would like. So if you guys noticed in my tandems with Adam, he was able to get pretty close up to me, and his car, when I rode with him, felt really, really grippy, even on the 235s. He was on the Zestinos, which are a little bit stickier of a tire, but I'm on the 265 or 275 Nan Kings, or Kendas. I think I competed on the Kendas, and anyhow, I just think I need a little bit more forward bite in drift, because basically, I mean, I could give it all the gas that I want, but it just spins the tires and it just doesn't really go anywhere. So I think I'm going to start messing with the traction rod. There's an article that Nikita did on Moto IQ talking about the traction rod. So I think I definitely need to adjust that, because it's pretty much at stock length right now. But that'll be a thing, something for another day. Basically, the goal is to go ahead and get a couple of the things out of the trailer, and then get the engine and tranny out of the back of my truck. Son of a bitch. Alright guys, so now we're getting ready to unload this 1JZ and this W58. I feel like I got a pretty good price on this. Normally these go for about $1,000, you know, with like clutch and all that other stuff. Maybe a little bit less, I don't know, it's a W58. Some people give them away, but the good thing is it already has the JZ bell housing on it, because it was actually on a Mark IV Supra with a 2J, an NA2J, and so the cool thing is it has drive shaft differential, clutch line, it's got the throwout bearing, the clutch fork, the housing, the shifter obviously, and the flywheel, which is good. And so the only thing I really need is pressure plate and a disc, and I could convert a Mark IV over to W58 and maybe even a 1J, I don't know. got engine unloaded, trying everything's out. So like I said, tomorrow I might be running up to Denver and picking up a hood off of Craigslist. It's already white. It has a couple little scuffs and stuff on it, but it's decent amount cheaper than a new one. It's like $200, and a new one's like $480 plus you have to paint it. Whereas this, I might have to touch up a couple little things and still paint it. So yeah, pretty much I guess all that's left to do tonight is pulling the Mustang. I love the remote start on this thing. Alright guys, just pulled in the Mustang and getting ready to film a pretty cool little clip I think you guys will enjoy for the Vigo Video app. Thanks to Vigo Video for sponsoring this video. They are basically a short form video app where you could share 15-second clips with your friends, customize them with tons of filters, stickers, personalize them, as well as use their huge music library to add music and songs and all kinds of actually new and trendy music to your snaps, so to speak. So I am participating in the Tag Your It challenge, and the purpose of this is to see who could get the longest tag by tagging your it. And what else are we gonna do other than do a burnout? So I would like you guys to join me over on the Vigo Video app. Download it on either iOS or Android over in the App Store. But be sure to add me as a friend on there at MotionAutoTv. And I would like you guys to continue my burnout. And let's see if we could get the longest burnout going. But I would like you to tag at MotionAutoTv and at Tag Your It in the hashtags so that it's all tracked and everything. So I just did my burnout on there. And the cool thing is they reward creative users that I guess like the posts get lots of engagement and likes and comments with flames. And the cool thing about that is the flames can actually be redeemed for real world currency. You could actually connect your PayPal account in it. Be sure to join me on this. I think it's definitely going to be fun.
Yeah, hurry up and put a super bike together.
What, do you like the voice of my subscribers or what?
No, I need to paint.
Oh, Dave needs to paint something.
Yeah.
No, yeah. It's got everything pulled in here and kind of tucked away. Kind of running out of room with the paint booth in here. So Dave wants me to get the Super put together. So because he has his 3000 GT, he wants to paint some stuff on.
Pretty much everything but the body.
Yeah, I guess. So.
Well, the quarter panels and the two little slits that run on the top of the roof. Yeah.
So Dave got all those parts in Texas for his 3000 GT, as well as that front clip. And that front clip should be here shortly. But I was almost going to see if they could just throw this thing on there because I didn't really want to, I don't know. I guess it wasn't that big of a deal to haul it home. But I thought we were going to have to like put it in the trailer and move a bunch of stuff, and we were able to just kind of stuff it right in the bed. So yeah, you guys need to let me know what you think I should do with this thing. It's either going to go, huh? What do you think? No? 1J Mustang? With a W58? No, I wouldn't put the W58 behind it. But honestly, like I wasn't really searching for this W58. It just kind of popped up and was a good deal. And it would make swapping the black car just like literally just like bolt in. The only thing I would have to do is get the clutch pedal and stuff, which I have an extra clutch pedal and stuff in this car because this was a twin turbo 6-speed. So yeah, we might just have to bring that thing down here. But I want to, if I'm going to do that, I'm going to pull the engine, reseal it, put a single turbo on it, paint it, not put a W58 in it. I don't know.
Paint that black, the whole thing.
I'm probably gonna. That's probably a good idea.
Or we could paint it opal purple.
Ooh, yeah. You guys will see Dave's reveal of his color shortly, maybe. But anyhow, this I did order some parts for this thing that should be showing up towards the end of this week, maybe early next week. We do have a drift event here in Colorado on Sunday at IMI Motorsports. It is round 1 of Drift Colorado, the Drift Colorado Points Series. So I will be competing in that with the S14, and like I said, I would kind of like to add a little bit of grip to the back of this thing with that little traction rod up front. So yeah, be doing some of that stuff later this week. Sorry if this video was a short one or long one, or if it rambled, but yeah, again, go check out my burnout, hop in on that challenge, and we got a lot of stuff happening. I don't know, I'm like almost too busy. I'm at that point where you have too many things to do and you don't even know what to do, because see you guys later.